Want to create stunning AI animations without complex editing? In this tutorial, I will show you how to master Google Flow start and end frames to transform simple visuals into cinematic scenes. From turning basic product shots into luxury ads, to creating futuristic environments and powerful brand reviews. This is how you bring your ideas to life with AI in seconds. Okay, how do we get that done from start frame to end frame using Google Flow? You must have registered with your Gmail, register with Google Flow AI, then you log in and it brings you to this interface. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to create a start frame and a end frame, and also try to animate both frames together in order for us to get a desired result. So I have Nano Banana here. This image I'm using 16:9 aspect ratio. I'm generating one image now. So I'll be using Nano Banana Pro. I can also decide to use Nano Banana 2, whichever one I want to use. So this is the first image. So the next thing is to create the first image. And it is possible that you have an image already that you need to upload. Yeah, but me, I'm creating this image for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, based on the prompt, this is just a markup image, and the end frame, the prompt for the end frame is this. I'll be copying it and I'll be pasting it here. This is it. It says a luxury skincare product shot, elegant branded cosmetic bottle with gold accent, water droplet on surface, glowing highlight, dark premium, blah 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 blah. So that is it. Then I just click on this. Okay, then I have the ingredient ready. Then I have this a reference image, which is the same one, the first one I created, the mop-up program. So this is it. Then I go ahead and create it because I want the same structure of this image being redefined in a different format. Okay, you can see now. This is it. You can see the redefined one. You can see the better one here. I am going to be animating the start frame with the end frame. So since I'll be using a video, I'll click on this. I'll click on video, then 16:9 aspect ratio frames. Yeah, using frames. So VEO 3.1. I'll be using 10 credit. Generating, we use 10 credit. So this is the start frame. This is the end frame. This is the start frame I'm using. This is the image I'm using for start frame. Okay, this is the image I'm using for the end frame. This is the end frame. Okay, and this is the prompt I'll be using. Say transform a plain unbranded cosmetic bottle into a luxury skincare product, gradually enhancing lighting, add reflections, introduce branding details, water droplet forming on the surface, background shifting from simple to premium dark environment, smooth cinematic transition, focus on product realism and elegance. So I want to create a video based on the two frames. So let me generate video and click on this. Wow, you can see now. Oh, wow, this is nice. Yeah, you can choose to redefine the prompt animation in whichever way you want, and you can also add ChatGPT to help you refine it very well. So this is how to move from the start frame to the end frame. Okay, you can see now. You can see the end frame. Look at the end frame now. This is the end. This is the end frame. Let's go to the start. This is the start frame. You can see how it transforms. That's a more of like product transformation. How you can transform your product. Maybe you want to display the branding, the transformation of your product, how it started and how it end. You can see this is what you can use. So let me download this. This is a very good one. This is nice. This is a very good one. This is a very good one. Okay, let's look at the other one. Let's look at another example. The example we are looking at is about environmental change, scene morphing with Google Flow start and end frame. So let's have a start frame. Maybe you have a photograph you want to transform, but first of all, let us create image. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's create some image. I'll say the start frame image. Okay, I click on this. Okay, the next one is environmental change. How can we use Google Flow frames to change the environment? You want to change the environment of a picture. Look at this one by the right hand side. A young professional in a room. The room is very dull. Look at this one now. The person in futuristic studio. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to navigate to the video session. Then the frame 16:9, just one video generation will use 10 credits. And this is the start frame we are using for this. The start frame. Okay, this is the end frame. Okay, let's go ahead to engage this environmental change. And this is the prompt. It says, transform a dull, empty room into a futuristic tech environment. Keep the subject consistent while gradually introducing new lighting, holographic screen, and advanced UI elements. Smooth transition from plain to high-tech cinematic lighting progression. You can see now. So the next thing is to go ahead and generate. Okay, I think we are done with that. Let us click and see. Oh, this is nice. Let's look at it very well. Let's see. You can see the transformation now. Oh, wow. Wow, this is nice. You can use this for illustrations, advertisement, or whatsoever. Oh, that's nice. This is creative. Okay, you can see the first frame, the second frame. You know, you can see this is the first frame. This is it, the first frame, a dull, empty room. This is the last frame. Okay. This is how to use Google Flow for framing. Okay, let's look at another example, which has to do with text to visual product revealing. Let's have our images ready. Okay, this is the next one. It has to do with text to visuals. You know, you want to reveal a product. You know, you have a statement to make before the revelation of the product. So we have this image. We have coming soon. That's the text. So the product you have is an automobile. You can see now. You can see the logo above the product. You can see now. So what we are going to do is to navigate to video. Okay, 16:9 aspect ratio. You know, one generation. Generation will use 10 credit. 3.1 light. I'm choosing this. Okay, this is it. This is it. So this is the first frame. I'll bring it to the first. This is the second frame, which is the end frame. Okay. So, and this is the animation prompt. It says, transform simple text coming soon into a full product review scene. This fades into glowing particles, forming a premium product and logo. Add cinematic lighting, light strikes, and dramatic atmosphere. Smooth high impact brand review transition. You can see. Let us see what we have here. This is nice. You can see. Let's look at it very well once again. Wow. This is it. So thank you very much. This is how to use Google Flow start frame and end frame to do a lot of transformation to your images. You can use it for storytelling. You can use it for product revealing. You can use it for environmental change. You can use it for a lot of things that you think you can imagine. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel and also like. Be the best.